back to my channel. Okay, my mom is a master in making big, fat, beautiful cards or little projects, and she asked me if I wanted to show you this, and of course I always like to show you my mom's creativity, so you know where I get it from. So stay tuned and I will show you. Alright, so with this one she made with my Wild Hearts paper collection, and oh my gosh, if I see this bag, I am so fond of it that I already wanted to show you, and I have this for such a long time, and I finally thought of it that I still needed to do that. So she put here some a notepad inside, which you can, I believe, maybe you can, yep, you can remove this. So if this is full or empty, you can replace it. And then you have some little tags inside here where you can still write something on. Super cute. And then inside here, is there something inside here? I think it's a pocket. I don't know exactly. Yeah, I think it's a pocket, so you still can add something right there. But I really love this. So darn cute, and she loves to use my papers. So cool. Alright, and then this is the Love Addiction paper collection, and she made quite a few projects, but this is a card, guys. This is a card what she likes to make, and I know it's pretty expensive to send it to her friends or family, but she just loves to make them. So they are actually little books. Nice pocket. This flips to the right, and then this flips up, and she used plenty of magnets to put it all together. Here a pocket, super cute. And then this is a flip page with a pocket, and then here you have another pocket with small tags inside. And then here she has, see where the leftover pieces? she also liked to use that. So cool. Yep, I really love it. And then the back, yep, the back. Okay, here we have a sewing tab. And this opens up. I think, no, this is not a pocket. Here is a pocket. And then, oh, this flips completely to this side. Oh my gosh. And then here is a pocket. And here is a pocket. Oh yeah, super cool. What do you think? See, that's an amazing, but I think this also can flip. Yep, this also can flip. Cool. I just love this style. Oh my gosh. Then we have another one, again with Love Addiction. So cool. This flips to the left. And then this flips to the left. And then again this flips to the left. Here we have a big pocket. Here we have some smaller tags. Here we have a pocket. Oh my gosh, there are so many. See? You see where I got my love for pockets from. What's this? Oh, yep, this flips open. Here is a nice booklet. Oh my gosh. So much to explore. And then this was the front, and then this is the back. And again with a nice pocket. Oh my gosh! That's wow. I really like it. So it flips open. This flips. Yeah. I really love this step thing. I really like it. Waterfall kind of thing. Super cool. Then there is another one with Love Addiction, and this is a, oh no, I thought it was not, this is the first time that I see this, so I thought I'd just move it up, but she made it this. Cool idea, Mom. I think I did this also with my folio few months back, or maybe longer ago. Alright, this flips up to the left. This goes this way. And here we have a pocket, and here we have two pockets. And then this is a big pocket. To explore, this is absolutely stunning. Then this is actually more a little folio or something. Then this flips up, I guess. Yep, and here we have a nice tag, leftover tag. I so love it that my mom also does this. And then we have, here is a pocket. And then here is a pocket. And then, yeah, here is also a place for photo. This flips down, and then we have here a pocket. Oh my gosh. This flips to the left. This flips open. Oh, this continues. Oh, and here is a nice tag. I think she forgot to put some paper on, but that's okay. I hope I can put it back. Mom, I can't put it back. I will do that. I'm afraid to put this out, but here is another tag too. Yeah, can I put it back too? Why can't I just put this back in? I will put that later. And then, oh my gosh, and this flips open too. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is... Alright, how does it close? This direction. Cool. Absolutely stunning. And now I see that it is a marvelous thing to do, to explore such a thing, as normally I make albums, and my mom loved to make these, yeah, she called it cards, but I almost think they are little folios or something. But to explore, where does it flip? To the left, to the right, up, down, pocket, not a pocket, secret pockets. I just love it. Super cool to experience what a new person experienced when they got this, something like this, or an album, or a card, a folio card. Let me call it a folio card. Alright, we continuing with Love Addiction papers. This opens up, and then I think there is a little tag inside. Yep, I will leave it there, otherwise I can't put it back. And here also a tag inside. And here we have a big pocket. Look at that. Beautiful. And this opens up. She got addicted. Yeah. Same as me. And then this moves up. Here we have a nice pocket also. Here we have some photo frame. I think my mom watched me too much. And here we have a pocket page. This we can pull out and pull back. And then here we have also a big pocket. Yeah, super cool. Super to see what she did with. Oh my mom. What did you do with this? What is this? How does this work? Does this need to flip? Oh yeah, this was just a little bit glued together. And I believe it needs to be working like this or something. That is super cool. Put a picture on here. Yeah, cool. And a big pocket. Of course, we close it with a big pocket. Yeah, love that. Cool. Yeah. Oh, my mom is the greatest card maker ever. I can call this card. I really can't. All right, let's see. With this one, she used my new paper collection, Ocean Breeze. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what she did with that. I must say that maybe some of the papers you don't recognize, because sometimes if I design papers, I like to test it out, to print it out, and those that are not end up in my collection, I like to give my mom, so my mom can make something with that, because otherwise I do need to throw those papers away, and I think that's a waste of paper. So some of these will not be in my paper collection, like this one is blue and this is not in my paper collection, but this one is, and this also. So you will see something different in it, but still it looks amazing. Wow, Mom, it looks cool. Oh, here is a swing. Oh, this I guess needs to be, close this down like that. Oh, and then this flips up. Here we have a pocket, if I can pull it out. Yes, and then what's this? This is a pocket. Oh wow, I love this. That is cool. And then I believe this is also a pocket. Cool. I like it. Here we go. Oh my, so cool. I really like it. And then I have another card, and I believe this is for someone. Oh, I have to give it back soon, because someone is getting 48. Alright, let me open this up. I have to think, what is this? This is strange. Okay. Oh, this is so sweet. Look at this. This stops it. Here we have a pocket. I think I remember this paper line. And this opens up. What's this? I think the glue is loose, but that's okay. Here we have a top pocket. Oh, I have to remind me that, because I never, well, not never, but it's a long time that I did that. A top tuck spot. Wow. The girl who gets this really is very lucky. Cool. Alright, so another folio card. I can't call these cards. They are way too beautiful to call these cards. I think they are little folio cards. Let me call it folio cards. And then this is a nice notepad. So what do you think? Do you like it? Yeah, Mom, you did a wonderful job. I am so happy that you want me to show my viewers your creativity. So yeah, all people know that I do have it from Not the Milkman. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and give me a big thumbs up if you like my mom's creation. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.